our second part of this lecture, we will discuss about some basic concepts which are asked in every type of commission test, Nts test, CTS test, and different kinds of tests. So these are simple concepts of mathematics, like this is algebraic expression 5x square plus this is expression, and how to solve this 5x square plus 8x square. Simply we will add these because this is x square and similarly this is also x square, because they have same powers, so we can add these two numbers. So after addition their answer will be 13x square. Similarly 5ab4 minus ab4, so after subtraction this will be equal to 4ab4. So these are simple concepts. You can check the solution of these concepts. After this, another concept is multiplication of polynomials. So how we will multiply two polynomials? These are two polynomials, first having power x raised to the power 2 and second has power of 3. So after multiplication their powers will be add up, and so these two will be added in 3. So 2 plus 3 will be equal to 5. So in multiplication of polynomial, same powers, same base powers are added up. So this is solution of the previous question. And another example, 3x square. So we will multiply 3x square to all these expressions, then we will simplify then this will be our final solution of the given example. This is another example. So 3 we will multiply 3x by 5x, similarly 3x by 2y, 4y by 5x, and 4y by 2y. So this is our final answer of this question. This expression will be equal to minus 26xy, because this is xy and similarly this is xy. So after multiplication of polynomial, our next topic is mathematical equations. Here we will solve different kinds of mathematical equations. So there are different methods, and similarly there are different kinds of equation. If I write some of these equations here, so if one by one, there is a linear equation, linear we can simply write as with one variable, this is first type, and with two variable, and similarly with more than two variables. Similarly there can be if we write this equation, this type of equation is called linear because degree of this equation is linear. What is meaning of linear? Degree of this equation will be equal to 1. Similarly another type of equation is called quadratic equation. What are quadratic equation? Having degree 2. So equations of the type which have 2 as their degree are called quadratic equations. So we will deal different kinds of equations here. So after simplification we will write some example. So this is simple example of an equation we will find value of x. How we will find value of x? We will find value of x simply, this is minus 25 and on right side this will be equal to plus 25, or we can add plus 25 on both sides, so final answer will be equal to 57. So this is 2, 3rd, 4th and different kinds of examples. Solving equation with variable on both sides. In our previous section we had solved equations having variable on single side. These are equations having variable on both sides, so we will take this 3 on the left side, so this will be equal to 11x minus 3x, so this will be equal to 8x. Similarly, we will replace plus 7 with we will take this on right side, so this will be equal to minus 9 and minus 7, so this will be equal to 16, so final answer will be equal to 2 minus 2. Similarly, another equations can be solved by this method. We had to take x variable on left side or right side, mean we had to do separate the variable. We can take all values of x on single side and another values on the, double or second side. So these are some examples. Example number 5. So next topic is simultaneous linear equations. What are simultaneous linear equations? What is our topic? Simultaneous linear equation. First of all, from linear this will be clear that these equations having these are equations having degree as 1, so these are simultaneous linear equation. And if we take these with two variable, mean x variable and y variable, simultaneous linear equations are those equations where single value of x and y satisfy both of the equations. Mean if x is 0 and y is 1 or any other value, so this will satisfy for equation number 1 and also equation number 2. So if both the equations are satisfied by single values of x, then these are called simultaneous linear equations. There are two methods which are described here. There are many methods to solve these kinds of equations. First of all, this is substitution method and another is elimination method. So what is substitution method? In substitution method we will find value of x or y from an equation and then we will put in another equation, so we'll be able to find our final answer. This is our question. So we will find a value of x or y from equation number 1. If we want to find a value of x, then this plus y will be equal to minus y on another side. So putting the value of x in equation number 2, we will be able to find our final answer of y. So y is equal to minus 5. Then if y is equal to minus 5, after putting value of y here, so minus 6 will be our final answer of value of x. So these are simultaneous linear equations. This is another example of simultaneous linear equation. We will find value of x or y from this expression. So here we are finding value of x and then putting this value in equation number 2. So after putting y will be equal to 22, and after putting value of y in value of x, this is value of x. So if we put value of y, then our final solution will be equal to value of x, which is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 22. So another method for solving the simultaneous linear equation is a method of elimination. Elimination method says we have to eliminate one variable, mean x or y. We can eliminate as x, we can also eliminate y. To eliminate these, we can add or subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. So how we can eliminate? This is 6. If we make 3x as 6x, then after subtraction x will be eliminated. Here this is plus y, similarly this is minus y. Coefficients are same. After addition of these two equations, y will be cancel, and this will be equal to 9x. 9x will be equal to 27. So 27, this 9 is multiplying by x. So after simplification, this will be equal to 27 by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. So x will be equal to 9. Similarly, putting value of x in equation number 1 or equation number 2, we can put this value in any kind of equation. So this will be our final solution of. These are some example related to simultaneous linear equation by different kinds of methods, so we can solve these accordingly. So there is an exercise for previous sections. This is a very simple exercise, and you are provided with answers of this exercise, so you can solve this exercise with yourself.